Well, a very good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to show you something super special. If you're one of those people that's looking for a vacation home or a full-time home in La Paz, Baja California Sur, Mexico, this may be the perfect home for you, especially if you're going to be a snowbird or if you're going to use this as an income property. I'm at the Alta Terrazas condominium complex in Lomas del Palmera in beautiful La Paz, Baja California Sur, Mexico. And the unit behind me, unit 207, is very special. First of all, it's an end unit, so you have no traffic past your condo. Also, just one neighbor. It's on the second floor, so we have great views of the bay, but it's also a larger unit, a little bit different for this building. Lots of upgrades in here, 2 master suites plus a half bath, so you're looking at 2 bedrooms, 2 en-suites, and a half bath for guests, upgraded tile, upgraded kitchen. Well, you know what? Let's go ahead and just take a look. Well, here we are inside the unit. We're looking at this fantastic upgraded kitchen. You can see the expanded granite work here to create this counter area, almost an island, additional workspace. You have a utility closet, pantry, and storage here, which is very unique in this building. Upgraded tile, newer appliances. There is a reverse osmosis water spout in the kitchen already installed. It is an absolute fantastic opportunity. As you walk into the master suite, now there are 2 master suites in this condo, but this is the main master, I suppose you would call it. You're going to notice the abundance of light. There is beautiful blinds in here, but you do have access to this gorgeous balcony. Relatively large master. This is a huge king-size bed in here, and you also have this gorgeous ensuite. Also an upgrade in the building, you're going to find double sinks, shower, commode, and also plenty of walk-through closet space as well. As we head to the second master, again, you'll see an abundance of light. It's very airy. Again, access to that beautiful terrace and a beautiful ensuite bathroom. This one with a beautiful glass single sink and a full shower. And again, an abundance of walk-through closet space as well. This is an exceptional purchase for the price in La Paz.